If your Chrome extensions got deleted or suddenly disappeared, don't worry, in most cases you can get them back pretty easily. First, check if the extension is simply disabled. Open Chrome and go to this link. Look through the list and see if your extension is turned off. If it is, just toggle it back on and it should immediately reappear in your extensions menu. If the extension is completely missing, the fastest solution is to reinstall it. Go to the Chrome Web Store, search for the extension by name and click Add to Chrome. If you don't remember the name, you can check your Chrome browsing history. Sometimes the extensions page is still there, which makes it easy to find again. Now, here's something many people don't know. If you were signed into Chrome with your Google account, your extensions may still be synced. Click on your profile icon, go to Sync Settings, and make sure that Extensions is turned on. Once sync is enabled, Chrome can automatically restore previously installed extensions. Another useful method is checking your Google activity. Just search for Chrome Web Store in your activity or history, and you might find the exact extension you installed earlier. If your extension stored important data like notes or passwords, check whether it had Cloud Sync. Many extensions automatically restore your data once you log back into your account. That's it. Simple and effective methods to recover your Chrome extensions. If this helped you, consider subscribing to Data Recovery Advisor for more quick and useful recovery tips.